I'm Kunal, and over the last 2 years, I've tried various business ideas such as drop shipping, SMMA, and video editing, and a lot of stuff. But none of them actually worked for me. And now, recently, I came across a video on trading. Looked very simple and interesting, but soon realized it was not all celebrations. So, why am I making this video? Basically, this is the start of something very big in my life. I'm going to be documenting the whole journey of me becoming a successful swing trader from a full-time student. I'm 18 years old, located in India from a middle-class family. I want to become successful. I've tried a lot of stuff, nothing worked. What is trading? Trading is basically you invest and you bet on something if it goes up or down. Now, is trading same like gambling? No, it isn't. In trading, you take calculated risks. You calculate whether it's going to go up or it's going to go down. You have price actions. You have a lot of signals. You have a lot of entry exit signals. Why am I making this video? What is the motive? I want to show people and I want to document myself of me becoming a successful swing trader, all the ups, all the downs, all the emotional drawdowns, all the profits, all the losses. I want each and everything documented for myself and for people out there so that they know the reality of trading. They know the reality. As you see on Instagram Reels, they have Lambos, Rolls Royces parked outside and they say that I just entered a trade, boom, 100k profit. No, trading consists of a lot of things, guys. Psychology, emotions. You have a lot of risk management. You'll have to have capital. You'll have to be brave enough to enter and exit trades. If you enter wrong trades, you take wrong entries. If your capital is small, you get liquidated. There are a lot of factors involved in trading. So this is my journey of how I'm going to start trading and become a successful swing trader. Now, there are a lot of people who are already aware about trading and they might ask me, why not scalping? Why not day trading? Well, scalping, I expose more risk. I take short amount of risk for short amount of profits. I can lose a lot of trades and the small amounts can add up to a lot. I'm not telling there are not successful scalpers out there, but scalping simply doesn't work for me. And day trading, I'll have to sit in front of the charts the whole day. And as you know, I'm a full-time student and I can't quit until I'm successful. I have to continue. So swing trading, I can analyze a chart, I can hold the trade for 2-3 days and I can take bigger risks to win bigger profits. And in swing trading, you take very calculated risks and very calculated trades. You take very selective trades because you only take 1 or 2 trades per week. So this is my journey of how I'll start and how it's gonna go. I'm gonna update every single trade, every single emotion, every single psychology on this channel for you guys, which has never been done before, as raw and as authentic as possible. No a lot of editing, no beautiful shots, no dopamine spikes. It is simply raw and pure of how a trader is made and of how you can become successful. Showing up when you are not wanting to show up, being consistent, taking proper risk management, every single thing. So if you want to join along, if you want to also become successful with me, join along with my journey and hit the subscribe button down below. This channel is basically for me to document my whole journey and show it out to everyone out there of how it is done, and it's not all luck. So if you want to follow along, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like the video, share it with all your friends so that they can follow along with us, and also follow my Instagram, link is in the description for daily updates. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.